can't hide. Peace still answer. You smile in my face, but your heart run cold. Whisper my name, try to bury my soul. Set little traps in the path I walk. Throw silent stones, never speak it out. But I see clear through the smoke and lies. No need for rage, no need disguise. Every move you make in the night so dark, still can't escape that inner spark. I know your ways, I know your game, but I won't answer fire with flame. What you send out, come back again, so I free my heart from the chain. As-Salamu Alaykum, peace be upon you, even when you try break what's true. As-Salamu Alaykum, I send light when you send doom. As-Salamu Alaykum, peace be upon you in a world where the hate cut through. As-Salamu Alaykum, still I rise, still I choose you. See it online, see it in the street. Brother turn rival over fame and greed. Keyboard war, no face, no name. Digital fire just fuel the flame. Nation divide by the words they spin. Truth get lost in the noise within. But the same sunrise on every land. Still we bleed when we don't understand. Peace, peace, peace be upon you, no war within you. Drop the hate, lift the soul, make it whole. I won't trade my light for your dark intent. No vengeance path where my steps get bent. Jah see all, and the time reveal every hidden and every silent deal. So I plant good seeds in the broken ground. Let the truth grow strong without the sound. You can dig a bit, but I won't fall in. Grace lift me where your hate begins. As-Salamu Alaykum, peace be upon you, from the hills to the avenue. As-Salamu Alaykum, let the healing start with you. As-Salamu Alaykum, peace be upon you, through the pressure and the global view. As-Salamu Alaykum, one love still carry through. To the one who wronged me, I answer peace, not weakness, but strength. As-Salamu Alaykum. As-Salamu Alaykum.